Hi everyone, my name is Mullah Faisal. Welcome to Mullah Faisal YouTube channel. Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, 1000 milligrams, formulated for weight loss, energy boost and gut health, supports digestion, detox and cleansing, natural gummies with B12, beetroot and pomegranate. For gentle detox and cleansing. Get all the benefits of apple cider vinegar in a bite-sized gummy. Not a fan of drinking sour liquids or swallowing large capsules. Our gummies taste good and go down easy. Each serving has 1000 milligrams of it to help cleanse your body, improve digestion, and support weight loss. Supports digestion, detox and cleansing. Supports healthy weight loss. Taking these apple cider gummies can help curb your hunger cravings and reduce your caloric intake, allowing you to hit your weight loss targets faster and healthier. Helps flush out toxins. Want to safely and naturally cleanse your body? Apple cider vinegar is rich in natural compounds that help eliminate toxins and improve digestive health naturally. These gummies are perfect for detoxing, energy support, and achieve your fitness goals. Formulated with vitamin B12 to help you feel energized and refreshed. A great addition to your routine, these apple cider gummies will improve your workouts, productivity and health, with no side effects. Most powerful on the market, maximize the value of your hard-earned money. Our apple cider vinegar supplements give you 1000 milligrams of it per serving, which is the most available today. Brand Orphic Nutrition. Price, $13.99.
These amazing gummies.
When I found these apple cider vinegar gummies, they were simply amazing.
I'm not as hungry in the afternoon, and I definitely have more energy.
I'm getting some energy, I'm getting some results as far as weight loss.
They're so good and tasty, and they're not all gooey.
The gummies are very mild taste. They're easy to chew, easy to swallow.
These apple cider gummies fit the bill and are working wonderfully. We'll definitely buy these again, no doubt.